Hey parents, I'm really sorry that things are confusing this week. We're all trying to figure out how to make this online learning thing work. So here's a step-by-step guide on how to find all the materials that you need. As I'm sure you can see, the directions for the assignment are really in this paragraph here. So when you click on the link for the lesson, which is right here, you're going to look ahead and focus on steps 2 through 6. You'll learn the song Stella Ella Ola, and you'll do these different activities, and the main one you want to focus on is in step 6, which I'm going to show you here. It's called the Note Name Challenge. And they should know how to do these because we've been practicing them with recorders. I put a little reminder right here about the lines and the spaces names if they need help. So you'll click on the lesson there, and when you click on the link, it brings you here. And at the top, it may look like there's nothing there, that there's just PDFs, but you don't need those. You can just scroll down, and then you get to teaching procedure. And here comes step 2. This is where they introduce the song. So we have the song we introduce, learn it by listening to the video where they sing it to you. This teaches a game you can play with it. It's kind of like Down by the Banks. Here's a solfa challenge, and there's an interactive window you can click on to do that. But the main thing is here, the Note Name Challenge. This is the one that I want you to capture on the screen. So we'll press Launch Interactive. And then it tells you the instructions. Click the play button to hear the melody. Click on the box, I can't talk tonight. Click on the bottom buttons to add a note to the boxes. And then if you get a wrong answer, you'll lose a star. When you run out of stars, you'll have to start over. So they should know, okay, this is the third space. The third space is C. And there it is, C, C, G, G, A, G, and so on. And they can just go right back here. If they forget a note name, they can go right here and check it, and then go back and keep going. And so after you complete the whole song, then it will have a big star come up that will say you did it. And then you can either take a picture on your phone and do it that way, or you can just take a screenshot on your computer. So to do that, a lot of computers will have what's called a snipping tool. And so, type in snipping tool or a screenshot, like if you're on a tablet. There's lots of different ways to take a screenshot. But here I'll take a little picture. And I'll do it right here. Take a picture of the screen. I'm going to save that. And that's going to be Note Name Challenge. Save. Now let's go to how to submit it. So go here and you'll click on this Google form. I'm going to put it in my personal Google so that you can see the link exactly as it would show up for you. So here's what the Google form looks like. And then you'll type in the first and last name. We'll just do an example. Say they're Miss Blythe. Then here, upload your screenshot or picture. So we're going to add file. We're going to press upload, select files from your device. And then here in downloads, I would just find my picture. Open, and then upload. And there it is. And then if that proves too difficult, you can just say, yes, I completed the activity. And that's just fine as well. And then submit. And that is all you have to do. So hopefully this helps a little bit. I'm so sorry that it was confusing. So let me know if you have any other questions.